Here we go, Arash. It continues. Give us the latest. What's going on here in the latest bid for Sky?
There's huge news here this morning in London. On Monday, my colleague Matthew Guerin and I broke news that Fox was going to come back with a very competitive offer for Sky. And this morning, we have confirmation of our story. A £14 a share bid, gazumping a £12.50 share bid from Comcast, in the clearest sign that Fox and Disney, which would be the ultimate acquirer of Fox if its own takeover of Fox goes through, want to buy Sky. And it is a clear sign that Disney is looking to spend around $100 billion in total to take on Netflix and basically become one of the traditional media companies that takes a foothold in a new digital era and competes against Netflix.
So, of course, the next question is does Comcast come back with a competing bid? What is everyone saying? What are your sources indicating at this point?
It's too early to tell. As you know, everybody is in Sun Valley right now for the big Allen & Co. conference. Bob Iger of Disney, Rupert Murdoch of Fox, and Brian Roberts of Comcast. I can't imagine what breakfast is going to be like this morning there, but it will be very, very interesting. Now, the question that the hedge funds that have piled into Sky shares want to know is whether or not Comcast will come back. And the answer to that question depends on your view of how critical these assets, both Fox and Sky, are to the future of the media industry. If you think Comcast can find another way to make itself more relevant to consumers going forward, then they might walk away at this point. But if you think that this is their best bet for international expansion and that they have to compete for Fox against Disney, then the smart money says they will come back for this. And that's why Sky shares are trading above the level where Fox is offered this morning.
What about the role of regulators? There was always this idea that UK regulators would be more in favor of Comcast owning Sky versus Fox.
We'll know by Friday. The UK Secretary of State for Culture and Media has told basically the market that it will provide a judgment on Rupert Murdoch's ability to acquire Sky. Now, most people think that he will get the clearance, but the offer today is conditional on that clearance coming. So the next 48 hours and that clearance are the last hurdle to this £14 a share bid. Now, importantly, because of the various things going on with Brexit in the UK government here, the previous Culture Secretary, Matt Hancock, was actually promoted in a cabinet reshuffle on Monday, and there's a new gentleman named Jeremy Wright running that division. So whether or not he stalls it was a big question, but he has indicated that he will rule by Friday. So we will know very soon what the UK government's views on Rupert Murdoch's takeover of Sky are.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.